Hello, Kinder friends. So, Mrs. Hartzell is here with dot cards today, and we are going to work on subitizing using our dot cards, but we're also going to work on talking about some different strategies that's now going to start including some addition vocabulary. You started learning about addition before Christmas break, and you had lots of practice with candy canes and reindeer and presents in Santa's sleigh, gingerbread men, lots of practice adding, putting together, and subtracting, taking some away. And we're going to continue practicing that using those words. And also, we're going to start using those symbols. The plus sign means put together, means addition. The minus sign means subtract, you take away. All right, so I'm going to show you a dot card, and we're going to talk about some of the different ways we could, or strategies that we could use to subitize or find out how many dots there are on that dot card. Let's see here. Let me find the one I want. Okay. Are you ready? We're going to stay just within 5 today because I want to start including that addition vocabulary. Are you ready? Your eyes are on the screen. I'm going to flash it up really fast, and I want you to put your thumb on your heart if you can tell me how many dots you saw on that card. Ready? That was really fast, wasn't it? Okay, I'm going to flash it one more time because I know we've been on Christmas break, and so your brains are having to kind of wake up. That's how I feel too. So here it is. Ready? Okay, your thumb is on your heart. If you can tell me how many dots you saw on that dot card. All right, ready? We're all going to call it out together. 1, 2, 3. Let me hear it. Okay, if you said 4, you are correct. Okay, and now we're going to talk about some different ways that you saw 4. Let me grab a marker. Let's talk about a few different ways that you saw 4. You were able to subitize 4 today. Okay. So go ahead and share with your grown-up. I'm going to listen in so that I can get a lot of your all's ideas. Share with the grown-up who's with you. How did you see 4? How are you able to subitize 4? What strategy did you use? I'm listening. Make sure you say it nice and loud so that I can hear it through the computer screen. Okay. All right, so I heard some of you said you still counted as your strategy, which is fine. That's a strategy that we use. So you went 1, 2, 3, 4, and you knew there were 4 there. That's one strategy. I'm going to write the word count each one. So I wrote the words count each one. That was your strategy. Okay, so then raise your hand if that was your strategy. That's what you did. You counted each one. Looking? Okay. All right, so another strategy that I heard was another way that you subitized is you grouped them. I heard some of you say you saw 3 here and you saw 1 there, and you even put them on your fingers so that you wouldn't forget. So when I flashed it up, you really fast went 3 and 1. So then when I took it away, you could go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4 and put them together. That's awesome. Way to use those fingers when you can. Okay, so you had 3 and 1. This is when I want for us to use some of those addition words that we've been learning about. How could I write this into an equation? Everyone say equation. Good job. All right, so if I was doing this, I would say I have 3, and I'm going to add or put that together with this group with 1 dot, and that equals 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting them together. 3 and 1 make 4. So then my equation would be 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay. I saw another, or I heard one more way. I'll do it real fast because I'm running out of time. I heard one more way, and that was that some of you saw 2, and then you saw 2 here. So I showed you how I would write an equation to match this strategy, this way to subitize. I want for you to help me. How would I write an equation here? How many do I have in my first group? 2. You're right. If you said 2, all right. Now, what am I going to do with these 2 groups? Am I taking some away, or am I going to take those 2 groups and put them together to make one big group? I'm going to put them together to make one big group. So what symbol do I want here? Minus take away or plus sign put together? Plus sign put together. You're right. And if you're not sure, it's okay. We're going to keep practicing this every single day. How many are in my other group? 2. Yep. All right. And that's my equal sign to tell me that I've got 2 and 2 over here. So I've got 4. And then I'm going to write the number 4 over here. We're going to be listening to a book this week that talks a little bit more about that equal sign for us. All right, so let's say this equation together. Ready? 2 plus 2, echo me, equals 4. Now let's say it one more time all together. Ready? At the same time. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good job, boys and girls. We've taken something we've been practicing, like subitizing, and we're going to use it to practice our addition equations as well. You worked really hard. This video was a little longer than normal, so thanks for hanging in there with me, and I will see you soon. Bye.